Hey, what's up, my boy? Tell the people what they want to hear.
Oh, right. It's gonna be sketchy out there because these clouds will look a little dark over here. So
Dude.
we gotta get in there.
Holy moly. Look at that, though. We got Goose in the 2019 ZL1. Ripping out here at LSFEST, you guys. And look who else we have. We got my boy back here, Johnny boy. All right, you guys. First ride in the new motor with my boy. Johnny boy.
Doing it.
Time to get after it, guys.
Let's do it.
There you go.
Damn, that would have been good if I wouldn't have hit the cone.
Well, guys,